Welcome to this presentation and tutorial for the Albedo to PBR texture generator tool. The purpose of this tool is to generate physically based rendering textures from an Albedo map, using various algorithms to enhance the realism of your models. Compatible with all render pipelines, for this presentation I will be using an HDRP project. In my scene, I have a 3D model with a material that has only a single base texture. For my demonstration, I will need a normal map, a mask map, and a height map. Depending on the shader you are using, you will need certain types of PBR textures. To access the tool, go to Window, QuickLib, Albedo to PBR Generator. The interface is quite intuitive. You need to input the texture that you want to convert to PBR. Then, choose the textures you wish to create by checking the corresponding boxes. Each texture has different parameters and algorithms. Feel free to take some time to modify and test the settings on your own to find what works best for your project. Scrolling down, we can see additional textures, and for this presentation project, I will need to check the HDRP mask map. This texture is dependent on others as indicated in its parameters. It is composed of the metallic, ambient occlusion, height, and roughness maps. If I uncheck ambient occlusion, a message appears in the HDRP mask map's parameters indicating that it must be checked. With the button at the very bottom, you can generate the maps you have selected in a matter of seconds. The textures are created in the same location as the base texture, using its name and adding a suffix appropriate to the texture type. If you have requested a lower resolution, they will be compressed by Unity's importer to maintain quality while occupying less space in the project. Once the textures are applied to the material, the difference in realism is clearly visible. I hope this tool will be useful in your workflow, or when dealing with unexpected texture issues. Feel free to visit the Discord server if you need any help. See you soon!